Okay. Alright, so now we're doing question 19. So use triple integrals to find the volume of the given cylinder. So let's just do a quick sketch of this. So this is our equation. And you can just find the intercepts real easy. So, you know, when y and z equals 0, you're going to be left with 2x equals 4. So therefore x equals 2. Just chuck 2 there. Then you can just look at this and say, well, when x and z equals 0, y is going to equal to 4. And same for x, z is going to equal to 4. And we know it's a tetrahedron, so it's going to look like, whoa, that, with, you know, these lines included. So that is what it's going to look like. All right. So, and you also have to know for these questions, it's kind of messed up, but you just put a 1 there, dv. It looks like a y, dv. All right, now we have to figure out what E is equal to with respect to x, y, and z. All right. So what is x equal to? All right. So x is just from 0 to 2. 0 to 2, there to there. So you go 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. What is y equal to? Well, y is equal to, remember that's x, that's y, that's z. So this line here is y equals 0, right? So it's going to be equal from y equals 0 to this line. So 0 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to this line. And then you're going to have to just do some pretty basic maths to figure out what this line is. So you got 2 points. One is 0 and 4, which is this point. And this point is 2 and 0. So figure out the gradient of the line by going rise over run. So 4 minus 0 and 0 minus 2, that's how you do it. So it's going to be 4 minus 2, which is going to equal minus 2. So our gradient is going to equal y equals negative 2x plus c. You sub one of the points back in to find what c is. So it's going to be 0 equals negative 4, because he's chucking that 2 in there. So 4 plus 7, c. Oh, you're an idiot. You could have just gone, the y-intercept is 4. You're an idiot. Y equals negative 2x plus 4. Negative 2x plus 4. Yes. And then your z, you're running out of room. Woo! What's your z going to be equal to? Your z is going to equal to, well, is the xy plane, and we know whenever it's by the xy plane, it's going to be 0, because, you know, that's the plane, xy plane is 0. It's less than or equal to, so it's going up. This is hard to imagine, but it's going up and hitting this plane, and we know what that plane is. The plane is that. So we need to rearrange this for z. So it's going to be z equals 4 minus y minus 2x. Z is less than or equal to 4 minus y minus 2x. Yes. Then we have to write out the equation. So then our equation is going to be from 2 to 0 for x, negative 2x plus 4 to 0, and 4 minus y minus 2x to 0, for 1 from d, z, dy, dx.
Am I making lunch?
Yeah. Can you hear me talking? Okay. I'm just recording myself going through problems.
Are you?
Yeah.
I still help you?
Well, it's going to make it easy when I revise at the end of the year, because there's a lot of material.
Yeah.
So it's like, I'll just watch a video instead of trying to figure out what I've written in my notes.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah, that sounds right. But you need to have a break.
I know.
You need to go out, do something.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you won't retain anything.
Oh, I'm not going to retain anything anyway. 2, 0. So now I'm integrating this with respect to z. Negative 2x plus 4, 0. Z. 4 minus y minus 2x, 0. dy dx. So you really don't have to watch this part. This is just integrating. So there's no tricks here. 2, 0, negative 2x plus 4, 0, 4 minus y minus 2x, dy dx. So you don't have to worry about something in the 0 because you're just going to get it out again. Now we have to integrate this with respect to y. Let's change color. So you're going to get 2, 0. Let's see if you can do this in one step. 4y minus y squared on 2 minus 2xy between minus 2x plus 4, 0, which is going to give us 2, 0, 4 minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 4 squared over 2 minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. And you don't have to worry about putting that 0 in because you're just going to get 0 out. So this is going to give us negative 8x plus 16 minus, what is that? 4x squared. 2 times 8 is 2 times 4 is 8, times 2 is negative 16x plus 16 over 2 minus plus 4x squared minus 8x. You're still going from 2, 0 dx. So this is going to equal negative 8x plus 16 minus 2x squared plus 8x minus 8x plus 4x squared minus 8x. Oh, there's a mistake in here somewhere for sure. 2, 0. Is there a mistake? I don't know. Alright, so now you have to gather like terms. So you got a negative x here, you got a positive x here. Whoa. That shouldn't be an x. Oh, there's so many mistakes, I reckon. Alright, negative 8x plus 8x minus x. So that would go away with that. And you're just going to be left with minus 8x. Alright. Then you got 16 here. And 16 is your only constant. No. You got 1 there. So you're going to get plus 8. I think green is hard to look at. And then you've got minus 2x plus 4x. So that's going to give you plus 2x squared. And this is from dx from 2 to 0. So then you're going to get negative 8x squared on 2 plus 8x plus 4x 3 on 3 from 2 to 0. So this is going to give you negative 4x squared plus 8x plus 4x cubed you sub 2 into this, so you're going to get negative 4, 2 squared plus 8, 2 plus 4, 2 cubed on 3. You don't have to worry about putting that 0 in, because you're just going to get 0 out. So you're going to get negative 4, 4 plus 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 times 2 cubed is 8 on 3, which is going to be negative 4 times 4 is 16, you idiot, plus 16 plus 4 times 8 is 32 on 3. So then you can go negative 16 plus 16, they go away, and we're left with 32 on 3. Let's check the answers. 32 on 3. Oh, 7. 16 on 3. What went wrong? 16 on 3. Why did that turn into a 4? You idiot. I'm not re-recording this. That should be a 2. That should be a 2. That should be a 2. See, you make a little mistake. Why did I even turn that to a... That should be a 2. That shouldn't be 16. 2 times 8 is what? 16 on 3, and that's the answer. Don't make silly mistakes like me. Be better.